Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Samsung Pay on phone, quick guide step by step clearly.
Unlock your Samsung phone. Locate and open the Samsung Pay app. If prompted, sign in with your Samsung account. Select the option to add a payment card. Choose whether to scan your card or enter the details manually. If scanning, follow the on-screen instructions to position your card.
For manual entry, input your card number, expiration date, and security code. Once your card is added, review the card details for accuracy. Accept the terms and conditions presented on the screen. Verify your card by completing the authentication process.
This may include receiving a code via SMS or email.
Next, set up a security method to protect your Samsung Pay. You can choose from fingerprint, PIN, or face recognition options. After setting up security, your payment card will be linked.
You can now add additional cards by repeating the process.
Once all cards are added, you may set a default card for transactions. To use Samsung Pay, swipe up from the home button or open the app.
Choose your default payment card. Authenticate using your chosen security method. Hold your phone near the payment terminal to complete the transaction. Check your transaction history within the app for records of your purchases. Now you are ready to enjoy the convenience of Samsung Pay.
If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.